What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Alright. And Boo Boo is checking everything out. Come on. Come on. Watch out for the cars. Come on. Alright. Let's see what I get done today. What, are you gonna come say hi? Come on. Oh, yes, Boo Boo was a stray when he was a baby. He showed up with him and 5 brothers. Yep, that's what I said. I go, you were the last one to come out underneath the trailer. It was about a month after I had to put down my old 20-year-old cat. Well, we're making some more shelves. I'll be done making shelves after this, and I should be good. We should be able to hopefully finish the project. Well, this is the last step, the last shelf here and here. It goes underneath 3 tall, and the goal will be to have these here. I can stack them up 4 or 5 tall with the numbers facing out, so I know what number to pull, which then makes all these spots go away. It makes it easier, and I'll start putting my CDs in here so I don't have to keep lifting and changing. That's the last update on the shelving. When I'm all done, they'll be all easy to get to. I'm consolidating and I'm lotting up items. The next video is going to be lotting up magazines and electric tubes. So thanks for watching. Now it's time to clean up, and this project's over. Have a great day. Please like and subscribe. I'll be releasing new videos regularly now on my new routine, so thanks for watching, guys.